He is Mr. Robert Stevens, sir, and his creation is the different from the art. What all natural bonsai masters does, and he does the different creative. There is no rules. He breaks the rules and he creates the new things. Really, sir, nice
Thank you.
to meeting you. This
Thank
is a
you.
wonderful
Yeah,
art.
thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Hi friends, today I am going to show you the mind-blowing display by our creative master Mr. Robert Stevens sir. I promise it's going to be at a different level. His creativity is unthinkable, unpredictable and unexpectable. I am not exaggerating friends. We all think display means a bonsai in a pot. We focus on bonsai more and a pot, but he thinks out of the pot. Okay, really it's going to blow our mind. Okay, let's go into the video which is going to be at a different level. Okay friends, thinking out of the pot means, just see here he is displaying his Mammy bonsai in this style. And coming to this, we all keep a bonsai in a frame, but here the master is in a frame and is doing pruning. This is how he creates. It is all different from other artists, so that's what I love very much. So let's see the other things. Here this is a dustbin. So dustbin was just falling and see the bonsai is just sliding down. See this here is a bonsai and a pot. That's it, we all think about it. But if you see this particular artist, how he displayed, see the broken pot, the below, the dry leaves, the broken pots and with some insects, some candles and whatnot, some old grass, and you can see a lot of decoration out of the pot. See here a canvas, the paint was spilled over it and how it looks beautiful. So this is what his creation. Nobody can think, nobody here see a turtle is coming out from this shell. This is also okay. See, nobody can match his creativity. I'm not able to imagine what is that he's in mind. See here the pot and a frog coming out from the hole. This is how he created here. And lot of things like this. I can't name one by one, but I leave it to you all for your creation. So here one broken pot, he created a separate pot with stagnated water and some dry leaves and all. And if you see next here, one cascade plant was died, which is called driftwood now. So it's a broken pot and dead wood, and it is created. And many more I'm not able to explain on this. See here the pot, and again the pot, how he created the pot itself is created separately. That how it is. Some pots were stitched, some pots were shown in a different pattern, in different patterns, and I'll show you many, and I leave it to you all the creation part. So you think, okay, because it is everybody separate individually, it is on your own imagination. See, even Mona Lisa we show in a different style, but he's showing in a different pattern. So he's all his own creativity. Every plant display his own thing. So I leave it to you all that even I'm imagining my own style, but I'm leaving to you to imagine the coming things, how he is displayed, how it is shown. Okay, everyone has their own way of thinking. Even we can try at home our own creativities. See what the message is here is, see, don't just display a bonsai here. See here the hand pruning automatically the bonsai is shown here. So I'm leaving to you all that imagine on your own and create your own display things. This is what I want to give a message. Here I've seen Mona Lisa's in a different style, and something like moss growing on pots, okay, and insects something coming out from the pots, the broken pots, broken leaves, okay, pot was stitched, stitching pots, a number of things. So I'm not explaining each one and thing. I'm leaving to you all to just go through the video and you comment on this what you like the most and what about his creation. So only message I want to give at the end is bonsai means not the pot and the tree. Bonsai means the pot, tree and the display, how you present itself. So everything is a display only. This is what I learned today. So I am leaving to you all. If you really like it, please comment and please like, share and subscribe. And if you really like the video, please share it to all your friends. This is one of the best mind-blowing masterpiece display I've seen ever in my life. Thank you. Thank you, friends. ప్లీజ్ లైక్ షేర్ అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్. అలాగే మీకు ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ అనేవి ఉంటే కామెంట్ బాక్స్లో కామెంట్ చేయండి. నేను ప్రతి కామెంట్కి రిప్లై ఇస్తాను.